Hey everybody, welcome to another episode of Gengatorz University. Today I'm going to explain a little bit of air conditioning from the lens of a generator guy. So bear with me, but I'll give you some cold hard facts about what a difference is between a hard start and a soft start and why it's important for a generator. First and foremost, when your generator is not online and you're on utility power, a soft start and a hard start will benefit the motor on your outside AC compressor and condenser system for a multitude of different ways. We like to put them on for scenario where the generator is online and producing your line voltage so that your hard start or soft start helps your generator from the spikes and adjustments of a hard hit like a motor starter and so on and so forth. So what this is a hard start device. This is simply a capacitor. If you're a 90s kid, you probably had a capacitor on your speaker system in your car to keep your lights from dimming when your bass was hitting. I love to think back to my high school years whenever bass was a big thing. It's the first time I saw a capacitor. But what this does is while your unit's running, it stores energy. And when the AC kicks on, the power or energy required to start that motor comes directly from this capacitor or Coke can device. And here you see the contactor for the corresponding capacitor. We install these on installs. They are plug-and-play devices, and they will prolong the life of your machine. But most importantly, it'll just reduce the hard hit of the compressor starting on your generator. Right here, what I have is a Micro Air Easy Start Flex Advanced Soft Start. We're a dealer for Micro Air. We believe in the product. What this motor starter does is gradually increase the energy to start your AC unit while the generator is online and offline. This is legitimately going to add life to your unit. So for $379 for the product, we're matching the internet price. It's located here. We have them in stock, and we install them on our premium installs. Our Category 3 customers are getting Easy Start, soft starts. However, if you want to go the economy route, a hard start is better than nothing for sure, and this goes in at minimum on every one of our installs. So that's our Gengatorz air conditioning episode on why hard starts and soft starts matter to prolong the life of your equipment and also prolong the life of your generator. Thank you for joining us at Gengatorz, where we power communities by empowering people. Thank you.